Unit 5 project, linear versus exponential.
Exponential growth. A normal Disney park employee works 8 hours a day all week except Saturdays and earns an annual salary of $12,000. But if he is part of a parade, his monthly payment increases by 3%. There are 3 parades every day. Our next equation is the start of $1,000 because I divided the $12,000 to make it a monthly pay instead of annual. And the next is start 1,000. Next equals now times 1.03, and our explicit equation is y equals 1,000 times 1.03 to the x power. If the employee wants his annual salary to double, how many parades will he have to be part of this year? Our answer is he's gonna be part of at least 108 parades. We went to our table of values and we went down until 108, and that gave us our answer when his salary was more than $24,000, which was his salary doubled. If he was part of 121 parades, what is his annual pay this year? His pay is $35,752.32 because if we multiply 1,000 times 1.03 to the 121st power, that's going to give us our answer. Also, our table, our graph may look a little bit different because we were increasing by such little amounts that we had to make it larger and larger until it looked like a curve. Exponential decay. Since Apple came out, Movistar has been having trouble selling cell phones. The company decided to decrease the price of everything with low demand by 5% every year. One of the new touch smartphones had a price of $2,500 and has been decreasing 5% since 2010. For our explicit equation, it's y equals 2,500 times 0.75x because exponential decay. Since Apple came out, Movistar has been having trouble selling cell phones. The company decides to decrease the price of everything with low demand by 5% every year. One of the new touch smartphones had a price of $2,500 and has been decreasing 5% since 2010. Our recursive rule is start 2,500 next equals now times 0.95, and our explicit rule, it's y equals 2,500 times 0.95 to the x power. How much will the cell phone be in 2046? It's going to be 394.45. We plugged in 36 years because it was since 2010 to our explicit equation and got the answer. In what year will the price be lower than 300? Between 41 and 42 years. We looked for the numbers in our graph to figure this out.
Linear growth. Justin's entering a 3-point contest. He pays $2 to enter the contest. He'll make $2 for every shot he makes. For this problem, our explicit equation was y equals 2x minus 2. Our recursive equation starts at -2 and its next equals now plus 2. If he makes $10, how many shots did Justin make? The answer is 7 shots. How much money will he make if he makes 3 shots? Our answer is $2. For the first problem, we plug 10 into the y and then isolate the variable and subtract 2 to get 7. For the second problem, we plug 3 shots into x because x is the number of shots. After we solve the equation, the answer we get is 2. Linear decay. Jared's mom has $20,000. She spends $250 at the grocery store each week. Our recursive equation was next equals now minus 250. Our start was $20,000. Our explicit equation was y equals negative 250 plus 200,000. How much money will Jared's mom have left after 4 weeks? Our answer for this was $1,900. We did this by plugging 4 into the x and then solving the equation after we went through 19,000 in the same. When will she have $1,650? We plugged 16,500 in for y
Friendly
and
reminder.
then solved the equation to get 14 weeks.
One of my problems, and I just feel like